solve the question, but then it's like you don't like understand it well. I didn't understand it well. I don't know how I got the answers.
All right, great. Um, which questions weren't you able to do? Could you tell me?
At first, I wasn't able to do 22, but I figured it out. But one
Okay,
thing I don't get is why we like added two numbers, these specific numbers to
okay,
get,
okay, okay.
yeah.
But can you just tell me the numbers of the questions that you weren't able to do so I can write them down now?
Okay, 22,
Yeah,
24, and
yeah.
then 27.
All right, great. That's it.
Yeah, the rest I just figured it out.
Okay, perfect. Let me just open the document. Okay, let's look at question 22 first.
Yeah.
Let me just draw the question. It has two triangles,
Yeah.
somewhat like this. They have given you 50 over here and 50 over here. Over here, they've given you 42.
Mm-hmm.
This is E, and this is also they've given you as E,
Yeah.
and this is F. So, firstly, the first angle that you should have figured out is this one.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, what was it?
88.
88. Alright. If this is 88, this would also be 88?
Yes, because they are vertically opposite.
Exactly. Alright. And can you find this out?
Oh, I didn't know we had to find that out. Uh,
But you can for the sake of it.
oh,
What is it going to be?
it's also gonna be 88.
No, it's going to be 180 minus 88 because this
Oh,
is angles on a straight line. Yeah.
why 180 minus 88? How is that an angle on the
Because
straight
this is
line?
a straight line and this is also a straight line.
Oh,
Both of them
oh,
are
I didn't.
straight
Oh, oh, okay.
lines. Yeah.
That would
So
be
this is
92.
going to be 180 minus 88, which is
92.
92. If this is 92, can you tell me this one?
Yes. This would be then 50 plus 92, and then 180 minus 142. 38.
If this is 38 and they've given you E and E over here, can I write down E plus, this is you said 38?
Yes.
38 is 180, angles on a straight line.
But can't we write E and E as 2E?
Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. E plus E is 2E,
Oh,
plus
okay.
38 is 180, and then you solve it to find E. Once you have found E, you add up the angles and find F.
So
Makes sense?
I'll subtract 180 by 38. So I'll get 142. And then
Okay,
I'll
can you
divide
divide
it
by
by 2 and then I'll get 71.
Okay,
And that's how I'll get E. Then when I have E, I can find for F. Oh, I
yeah,
didn't. The thing is, I searched up like a bit for help. They gave
yeah.
me like a trickier method, so I couldn't understand it.
No, no, don't search on Google because this is the most basic level of geometry. So there
Yeah.
are a lot of other levels where there are other concepts that can be used, but those are not included in your course.
Oh, okay, okay.
All
That
right.
I won't anymore.
Yeah. So does this make sense to you? Just
Yes,
find out all the angles, even if they don't ask you to, because
yes.
that is they will not. This is they will not guide you to find out each and every step. Yeah,
Yeah,
you will
yeah.
have to do some steps on your own. Okay.
Yes, you're right.
All right. So this is 22. Let's look at 24. You were able to do 23?
Yes.
Okay, great. Let's do 24. 24 says in a triangle ABC, A is a right angle, D is a point on AC, let's make the triangle ABC where A is a right angle. Okay. A, B, C. A is a right angle.
Mm-hmm.
D is a point on AC such that it bisects B.
I don't know what it meant by that.
D is a point on AC such that, okay, so D is a point on AC such that BD bisects B. This means bisects means
Oh,
that it cuts in equal lengths. So it
okay.
cuts right in the middle. So this
Okay.
means this side and this side would be equal.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
So
Yes.
bisect means like every time they use the word bisect, it means they cut it in like equal halves.
Yeah, equal
Okay.
halves. If BDC is 100, so this is my D, they're saying BDC, so they're talking about this angle is 100. Calculate C. You have to calculate this one. Can you
Okay.
try and calculate it now?
Uh, but I don't have any third angle given. Oh no, actually I do. Sorry, sorry, my bad.
Yeah.
Will I get 10?
For what?
For like I just added 90 with 100 and then I subtract that by 180.
1 minute. Wait. Okay, no, they're not saying this won't be equal. It says it bisects B. If we read clearly, that means this angle and this angle would be equal because it's bisecting B. It's cutting B into two equal halves. So
Yeah.
if this is A, this is also going to be A.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. So what are you trying to do? Can you tell me which
I
what method did you use?
I just on it's on a straight line, right? So I
Yes.
just I added 190, so I got 190 and then I subtracted that by
Why
one
would you add 190?
because all three of these angles are on the line.
They're on
So
the line, but they're not together. The
um
angles have to be together. What you can do is you can find out this angle because this angle, for example, this angle is B. B plus 100 would give you 180. This is
oh
angles on a straight line. So I
okay.
can find out B, which is going to be 180 minus 100,
So 80.
and then B is going to be 80 exactly. If
Okay.
this is 80 over here,
Yeah.
can I find out A?
Yes. So 90 plus 80. And then yeah, you'll get 10.
Okay. So A is 10. If this is 10, this is also going to be 10. Can you find out C now, which is what you had to find out originally?
Yeah, now you can find it out.
Okay, great. And what's the next question that you wanted to do? 27.
Yes. I don't know why when I try doing them on my own, they seem 10 times more challenging.
Yeah. It makes sense. These are difficult questions, so it's okay if you wanted to do them.
Yeah.
Let's look at question 27. 27 says ABD, CBD, and ADC are all isosceles. What are isosceles triangles?
They
Where
have
two
two
sides are
sides
equal.
equal. Yeah.
Exactly. Two sides and two angles are equal. So let's
Yeah.
say this is ABD,
Yeah.
ABD, and this is ADC, let's say, and CBD. Let's say this is CBD. CBD now. Add triangles, find the angle. Let's just draw this separately. ABD, ABCD basin. Okay, so ABD. Oh, they've given you the triangle. That's what I was thinking. They should have given you triangle. So, did you see they had given you the triangle?
Yeah. Wait,
Okay.
what triangle? Wait.
They have given you a triangle in the corner.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. But
So
there
it's
aren't
not
any values
possible to
given.
make the triangle on your own. There are not values given, but they've told you it's isosceles. So I'll show you. This is a D. Okay, so there are two triangles into play. They're saying AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD. So this whole and this whole is also equal, right?
Oh,
So if I make this is equal to this, and they
yeah,
want me to find x, yeah?
yeah.
Okay, let's try to do that. This is a bit complicated, so it's okay if you're not able to do it.
Oh, no, I
All
was, I
right,
was very confused.
yeah. Okay, so it says isosceles. So this means this and this would also be equal. So this will also be equal to x.
Wait, oh,
Yeah.
B, A, and
According
D.
to this triangle,
Yeah,
this would also be equal to x.
yeah. Because okay, so B, A, D is X, so B, D, A will also be X.
Exactly.
What?
And
Because
according
it's
to
an isosceles triangle because of these two marks, right?
yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay.
And according to this big triangle, this whole would be equal to this, right?
This whole.
Would be equal to this one.
Yes.
Yes. So can
Why
I
this whole? How is?
because uh, AC and AD are equal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
yes,
this
yes.
is an isosceles. So let's say this is y and this is y,
Okay.
right?
Mm.
So can I say x plus y is 180? Yeah.
Y plus Y. Okay. Yeah.
So x plus 2y is 180. Yeah.
Why aren't you counting the other X? Because there are like two X's as well.
No, this is another triangle. I'm talking about the big triangle right now.
So we're gonna do one triangle
See,
at a time.
I'm drawing the triangle I'm talking about.
Okay.
I am talking about A, C, D, where this is y, and this is x. Now at D, you can also see that this y is actually equal to x plus something. So we can label it as A is
Mm-hmm.
y, yeah?
Yeah.
But we're not going into that. We're just saying x plus 2y is 180, alright? If I get another equation also like this, can I find out? Uh, can I solve them simultaneously then? Because they're talking about three triangles right now. Let's look at another triangle. Can you
How are they
also
talking about
say
three triangles? There
there
are
are three
two
triangles, right? One big triangle and two small triangles.
two small triangles. One. Oh yeah, yeah, yes, yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Okay.
Okay, great. And they are also telling you that this and this is equal. This one and this one. These are equal, right? BD and CD.
Yes.
So this is y. This would also be y.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
all of
can I?
these are Y's.
No, this big one is y. The whole angle D is y. We're talking about the small one now.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So what will that one be?
That's something we have to find out. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So all right. So this is y. This is y, and this is, for example, let's say this is A. and this is x. This is x. Okay. Okay, so over here, can I say we wrote this, right? X plus a is equal to y. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what
Yeah.
is a going to be? Y minus x, right? Can I
Yeah.
label this in terms of a, y minus x?
Right now we have three equations, right?
Yeah, but we only want two unknowns. So I'm trying to remove a. How will I remove a? I already
Mhm.
know x plus a is y, right? Over here.
Yes.
So can I make y a the subject and write y minus x and
Yes.
label this a as y minus x?
Yes.
So once that is done, can I write y plus y minus x, which is a, is 180. So this is 3y minus x is 180. This is your second equation. This is your first equation. You solve it to find x and y.
Oh, this is so confusing. I'm sorry, I can't keep up.
Yeah, because it has a lot of algebra in it. That's
Yeah,
the thing
but
about
I'm
algebra.
confused about how many triangles there are and what triangle we
There are
are.
three triangles, and so basically you need to figure it out. I labeled y on my own, then I labeled a on my own, and I wanted only two unknowns to be there. So I removed a and converted it into in terms of x and y.
But our main
That's what
goal
I
is to
did.
find x.
Yeah. So once you solve this simultaneously, both of the equations, you'll find x as well.
Okay, so we have x plus 2y equals to 180, and then we have 3y minus x equals to 180, and then we solve it simultaneously, and then we get it.
Yep. Yeah.
Oh,
Exactly.
oh, okay, okay.
Makes sense? Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to do this question on your own without
Yeah,
looking at my working and try to do it. Alright?
okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, but before that, well, what we did, we had three triangles. Well, our biggest triangle is ACD, and then we have
Yeah,
ABD, and then we have CBD.
yeah.
So for our big triangle, the equation for ACD, it's x plus 2y equals to
No,
180.
I don't want you to look at the equation. I want you to do it from scratch on your own.
Oh, okay, okay. All right.
Try to make sense out of it and do it on your own. Okay?
Yeah, it's gonna take a while.
It's okay. It's okay.
Will it be easier if I separate the triangles, or will that be?
It would make it more complicated, but it's
Oh,
good. It's okay if you once you've done labeling, then you
yeah.
can separate the triangles.
Yeah, and I just have one more question. The one you took as the whole y,
Yeah.
there because that was due to because there were both of these sides were equal.
First of all, what you should do is just figure out whatever is isosceles. If it's isosceles, what would be equal? Label them, and then you can move forward from there.
Oh,
Okay. Just label whatever would be equal based on isosceles triangles, and then
yeah.
move on from there. The only
Okay.
property being used here is of isosceles triangles, so that's the
Oh,
only one you have to use in every triangle.
okay. So I'll just be done with labeling, and then I'll move on to equations.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I think I labeled all of them.
Okay.
So, but for A, the big triangle, the ACD, for the equation,
Yeah.
I'm taking x plus y, but why am I not including A?
X plus y.
Yeah,
You're not including a because
because
you're taking the big triangle. Yeah, that's why.
but A is a part of the big triangle.
But the whole is y, right?
The the what?
The whole entire thing is y. You're not even including x, right? The second x, because it's
Yeah.
a part of y, so you don't need to include it. It's just y.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's two unknowns. You don't need three unknowns.
All right. So,
So a is just for the smaller triangle, and the x is just for the smaller triangle.
okay, and then oh,
Yeah,
y. Okay, I'll take y as a whole. Okay,
exactly. Yeah,
and B is also y, but that's for the small triangle, so we won't take it.
exactly. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Also, if we add A because we don't want three unknowns, we're removing A. But what's
Yeah.
the third unknown?
A is the unknown, right? X, Y, and then there's A.
But we only need X and Y.
Yeah.
All right, okay. Also, for the if when we want to remove a, why are we
Yeah.
taking x plus a, or like sorry, x plus a equals to y? Like, why are we doing that? Like, because x is not part of that triangle BCD.
Yeah.
So why are we taking x into the equation?
Which triangle are you talking about?
I'm trying to make the equation for triangle BCD, which only
Yeah.
includes two y's and an a.
Yeah.
So why can't it be like y plus y plus a, or like 2y plus a equals to
Because
180?
it includes two y's and an a, and we do not want to work with a. That's why we're converting the a in terms of x and y. So we know that y over here, according to the big triangle,
Hmm.
y is equal to x
Yes.
plus a, right? So can I
Yes.
make a the subject and write it as y
Y is
minus
equal
x?
to
Is
x plus
it
a. No, the
yeah?
equation for the big triangle is x plus 2y equals to 180.
No, not the big triangle. I'm talking about BCD.
BCD. Okay. Well, what
Yeah.
about
So it has a, right? To remove that a, I can convert it in terms of x and y. That's what I did.
okay,
Yeah,
in terms of
because
x?
these are the two small triangles you have to work with. These are the big one and BCD. That's what you're working with. This triangle cannot be worked with. ABCD you cannot work with because you don't have the third triangle,
Yeah.
third
Yeah.
angle. That's
Okay.
why.
All right. All right. So I'm gonna convert a in terms of x, and then I'm gonna get the. Yeah. Also, when am I supposed to know that I have to like convert these equations into something to remove the
You'll just
unknown?
know. You'll just know. You just have to know. When you're done doing the question, you will just know. Once you're done practicing a lot of questions, you'll understand on your own.
Okay.
There is no technique to this, yeah.
Can you like elaborate on what you mean by converting it into like in terms of x? You mean that I'm gonna
I'm just
just
saying make A the subject. That's it.
that's it. But like
Yeah.
in what equation I'm gonna make a the subject?
Wherever you have A. So in the
Okay.
equation where you're making for BCD, you
Hmm.
have an A, right? A
Yeah, I
plus
do.
Y plus Y. To
Yeah.
remove that A, you will convert it in terms of X and Y.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a plus y will give me x. Or
Yeah.
okay, okay.
So
So
now remove the A by making it the subject.
yeah. Okay, one second. So I'll just do x minus 2y. So a
Yeah.
equals to x minus 2y.
No, not in this equation. You have to make A the subject in the other equation.
Hmm.
Why am I making? How can I make A the subject? Because I'm using this Y, this big Y
Yes.
is
Oh.
equal to X plus A. This is what I'm doing.
Oh, yeah, that makes more sense. Okay.
Yeah,
So we're using the big y in order to remove a.
yeah, exactly.
All right.
Because the unknowns are the same. That means the values
Yeah.
are the same, right?
Yeah, this makes more
You can
sense.
manipulate
Yeah.
it. Yeah,
Yeah, okay. So now I have a final equation of y minus x.
yeah.
Okay. So now I have two equations.
Okay, great. Now solve them simultaneously.
All right. So both of these will be equal to 180.
Yeah,
Okay, wait. So I'll take the y minus x from the a's equation, and I will
yeah.
take the what else will I take? Y plus y?
Just solve them simultaneously. The two equations that you made. You just need to
Yeah,
solve them
but one of them
simultaneously.
where a equals to y minus x, and then the other one was x plus 2.
No, we just removed A, right? That's what
Oh
we
yeah,
did.
yeah, that was
You have
removed.
two unknowns now. This is your first equation, and this is your second equation. You just need to solve them simultaneously now.
First equation, second equation. Yeah, the first equation I have it, but the second equation, how did you make the second equation?
I made it by removing A, right?
Yeah,
This
yeah, yeah. We like when I removed a, I made a the subject and I got y minus x. But you
exactly.
actually, oh, and then you had y plus y plus y minus x. So I'll use
Yeah,
y minus x
this
and
was
use
A.
y plus y.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, okay,
exactly.
okay. All right.
Yeah.
I can use any method I want, like substitution and elimination, like any.
Yes, you
Okay,
can use substitution or elimination. Both are.
all right. Okay, so I got x and y. I got x as 36 and I got y as 72.
Okay, great. Now, how you can check this question is if you've done it correctly by adding up x and y's. So, according to triangle ACD, x plus y should be 180, yeah? So, what did you get for x
I got 36.
and y?
I got 72.
Okay, try adding these up and see if it makes 180.
Yes.
Perfect. Do you understand?
That was the most mind-boggling question I've ever done. It was really, I've never ever tried answering such a difficult question.
But it's okay. You understand now?
Yeah, I just hope I can do this again. I really hope.
You should try to do it again. And like after a day or two, try it again. Not today.
Yeah.
Give it a day or two and then try it again.
Okay,
All
yeah,
right?
that, I'll do it. Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to start with polygons right now. We have like 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Let's see how much we can cover in this time.
Okay.
So polygons. All right. There are a few properties of polygons that you need to remember now. So in this chapter, we did some properties. It
Mm.
was all about angles on the straight line, triangles, and we did
Quarter.
uh, quadrilaterals, we did equilateral triangles, we did isosceles, right?
Yes.
Let's talk about polygons. Now, polygons are shapes which have multiple sides. It can be more than three and more than four, all right? These are shapes that there will be irregular shapes that you don't see regularly. For example, rectangle, triangles, it's
Mm-hmm.
more than those sides, okay?
So
So
multiple.
let's look at multiple sides, yeah. So if there are, for example, five sides, it's called a pentagon.
Yeah.
This is just general information. Six
Yes.
sides is hexagon. Eight sides is octagon. And 10 sides is decagon.
Yeah.
Alright, let's talk about the properties that these come with. So, number one, the exterior angles of a polygon add up to 360. Let's talk about what exterior angle means of a polygon. Add up to 360.
Okay.
Okay, let's talk about this. For example, I have a shape like this. I have a pentagon, okay? One, two, three. Oh my god. One, two, three, four. Okay, this is not a pentagon. Let's say I have a pentagon like this. Two, three, four, five. Alright. So this is a pentagon. Let's say it's saying the exterior angles of a polygon add up to 360. Exterior angles means the outside angle. So
Okay.
I'm just gonna label the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. Any side that is extended can make an exterior angle, okay? Any side.
So these are known as
Alright?
external.
Yeah. All these are exterior angles with
Okay.
the polygon. Alright? So these all they add up to be 360. Alright? So for example, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. All of these will add up to be 360. Alright? Let's look at the second property. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180, where n is the number of sides. Okay? What does this mean? So the same way, let's say I have a pentagon.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say I have a pentagon. The interior angles. Interior angles mean all the internal angles.
Okay.
These are all the interior angles. Alright?
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E is 1 n minus 2
Yeah.
into 180. What does n minus 2 mean? N is the number of sides, so I have 5 sides over here into
Yeah.
180. This should be equal to this. 5 minus 2 is 3 into 180. So this is what it should be equal to. Make sense?
Yeah, so if these five sides had like a property, like each had numbers, I would just add those numbers and minus two.
Yeah. No,
Oh,
this should be equal to this. Like we say in a triangle, all angles add up to be 180. Over here, all angles should add up to be this value, whatever the value comes out to be. Make sense?
so what if it was like a hexagon? So I would do 6 minus 2.
Exactly. 6 minus 2 into 180.
So the values inside the hexagon wouldn't matter. Like the values like 10, if it had like a number, I would
It
just
does
count.
matter. Of course, it matters.
No, no,
For
like,
example, I have a triangle.
yeah,
So A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Yeah.
yeah.
The same thing I'm talking about over here.
But here it's not equal to anything. Oh,
It
it's
is
equal.
equal to.
Oh, okay, I
I am
have to
asking you
solve.
to calculate this also by doing n minus 2 into 180. So in the
Oh, okay.
place of 180, it's this. Make sense?
Oh, okay, yeah, I got it.
Okay. So the exterior angles add up to be 360 and the interior angles, you have to do this. Alright?
Okay,
You will understand more when you do the questions.
yeah.
Let's talk about the third property. A regular polygon has equal sides and equal angles, which is but obvious because
It's a
the
regular.
angles and sides are the same, right?
Yeah.
For example, in this pentagon, you have 5 sides and 5 angles. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Let's move on and try to do some questions.
This has only like three rules.
Yeah,
Okay.
till now it's 3 rules.
Okay.
So, can you open page 139?
Yeah.
Let's try to do question 1. It says find the angles A and B for the regular polygon. They've given you a polygon. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a pentagon, yeah? They want you to find out the interior and the exterior angles. First, let's work up the exterior angles. The
Mm-hmm.
exterior angle should be equal to 360. So
Yes.
A plus A plus A plus A plus A should be equal to 360.
So
That
5A
means 1, 2, 3, 5A is equal to 360. And A should be 360 divided by 5, which is
plus
72.
70.
Yeah?
Yes.
Let's talk about the interior angles now. So I
Yeah.
have B. So B plus B plus B plus B plus B should be equal to n minus 2, which is 3 into 180. Yeah?
Why 3? Not 5?
5 minus 2, right? N minus 2.
Oh, yeah, 3, yes.
So that's 540. 5B is equal to 540 and B is equal to 108. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Try to do question 2.
Okay. Okay. In the question, whenever they mention or specify that it's a regular polygon or regular anything, does that
No, no,
change?
no. They won't specify it, and even if they do, it doesn't make a difference.
Oh, okay.
You only have these type of polygons in your course.
All right. All right.
Also, let me know how you find y. Have you found x?
Yeah, I found x at 60.
Okay, how will you find y now?
You'll just, because it's 1, then, oh, it's 1, so I think you'll minus it the same way.
No, they haven't told. The interior angles are not always equal. Unless they tell you they're equal, they're not equal. I didn't tell you any property where it has to be equal, right?
Oh, so only equal, like only equal angles add up to this.
No, no, no. But
Oh,
they haven't told you that all of the angles are y. They
oh
have
yeah.
different values.
Oh, I don't know then.
How will you find y? Just think about it.
Um,
Can you see a straight line for x and y?
it's a straight line, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah?
I can.
Do they lie on the same line?
X and Y,
You see
yes.
this?
So I'll use that
This
straight
x
line for
over here and y here. So
yeah.
x plus y should be equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus x. Make
But
sense?
X was 60. So do I input that value?
Yeah,
So I use a straight line. Oh, so they're all interconnected, like
of course, yeah.
okay. Okay. I got 120. So Y is
Okay,
1.
perfect. All right. Now I want you to do question 4
Mm-hmm.
on page 140. Do
Question.
all the do part A. Just do question 4
Okay.
where they're asking you to find A.
All right. Okay. So I found A. It's 110.
Okay, great. All right. I just want you to do question 5 and 6 as homework. You can just do them right after class also. I don't want you to do any difficult questions right now because I want to do them with you. All right?
All right. Okay.
Okay.
And for my exam paper mistakes, like, do you feel like I can, are